Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the lesson number 4 of unit number 8 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, today we are going to do learn to write, which is the last segment of unit number 8, and for this purpose we need 2-lined English notebook, black pointer for headings, and ink pen, blue ink pen for writing, and a scale for margin lines. Clear, students? So without wasting your time, let's start our today's lesson. Okay students, we have turned our pages towards learn to write, and what we are going to do, the topic is taking care of yourself. Write 5 things you should do and 5 things you should not do to keep yourself healthy. Students, are you getting? Means 5 थिंग्स हमने लिखनी है जो हमें करनी चाहिए, और 5 थिंग्स हमने लिखनी है जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए टू कीप और सेल्फ हेल्दी. ख़ुद को हेल्दी रखने के लिए, ख़ुद को सेहतमंद रखने के लिए व्हाट शुड वी डू एंड व्हाट शुडंट वी डू. वी हैव टू राइट दीज थिंग्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लुक फॉर vocabulary of the written work. Okay students, this is the word bank of unit number 8 that you can see here, and I have studied this word bank carefully, and I came to know that we couldn't find any vocabulary for the written work. ठीक है, जो written work हमें given है, मीन्स हमने 5 थिंग्स लिखनी है जो हमें करनी चाहिए और 5 थिंग्स लिखनी है जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए ख़ुद को हेल्दी रखने के लिए. बट वी couldn't फाइंड एनी vocabulary फ्रॉम हियर. इस वर्ड बैंक से हमें कोई vocabulary नहीं मिल रही, लेकिन बाकी यूनिट्स में अगर आप देखें तो हमें कुछ ऐसे vocabulary वर्ड्स मिलते हैं जो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी ईजी टॉपिक. द टॉपिक इज़ वेरी ईजी. वी कैन मेक और ऑन vocabulary वर्ड बैंक. हम अपना खुद से वर्ड बैंक बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर द vocabulary ऑन बोर्ड. मैं आपको बोर्ड पे कुछ vocabulary दूंगी, वो हम यूज़ करके आज का रिटर्न वर्क कंप्लीट करेंगे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर द वर्ड बैंक. Okay students, as you can see vocabulary on the board, let's start making sentences. What should we do and what should we not do to keep ourselves healthy? खुद को हेल्दी रखने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? First of all, let's make sentences. We should take bath daily. We should eat healthy food. We should take exercise. We should sleep on time. We should drink fresh juices. We should drink milk. आप drink milk भी कर सकते हैं. We should eat dry fruits. And the last one, as you can see, we should take proper rest. There are a lot of sentences that you can make, but right now I have given you some vocabulary words that you can do your work. 5 sentences you can make. Next one, what should we not do? We should not eat junk food. We should not eat oily food. ठीक है, because it's unhealthy ना, ये unhealthy होता है, इसलिए हमें ये नहीं खाने चाहिए. Junk food mean burger, pizzas, you can say like bakery items, you can say. Next one, we should not get up late. We should get up early in the morning ना, वो आप पॉजिटिव में राइट कर सकते हैं. We should get up early in the morning. अगर आप टाइम से सोएंगे और टाइम पे जागेंगे तो you will be healthy. We should not use energy drinks. Energy drinks like cold drinks और इस तरह के energy drinks होते हैं ना, these are not healthy at all. As you can see, we should drink fresh juices ना, हमें fresh juices पीने चाहिए, हमें milk पीना चाहिए खुद को healthy रखने के लिए. We should not use energy drinks and cold drinks also, you can say. We should not eat unhealthy food. Unhealthy food भी हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should keep our area. We should not keep our area untidy. हमें अपने एरिया को untidy नहीं रखना चाहिए. We should keep our area tidy. Yes. So from the given vocabulary, from the given word bank, you can make 5 sentences for should and 5 for should not. Now let's have a look for the copy presentation and written work. Okay students, first of all have a look for the notebook presentation. You will write English date, page number, Islamic date, then you will draw margin lines, 2 finger gap plus double margin line on left side, 1 finger gap plus single margin line on right side. Then you will give the main heading modal verb should and should not, and you will double underline both of the headings. Then you will start making sentences from here. We should take a bath daily. We should eat healthy food. We should sleep on proper time. We should drink fresh juices. You can write we should drink milk. We should take exercise. You can make other sentences also. We should eat dry fruits and like this. We should eat salad. We should eat vegetables like this. Next one, you will start making sentences for should not. We should not drink energy drinks, and you can write we should not drink cold drinks. We should not get up late. We should not eat junk food. You can write we should not eat oily food. We should not keep our area untidy, as we should keep our area tidy now. So, and the last one, we should not sleep late at night, as we should sleep early at night and we should get up early in the morning. In this way you will complete your work, and you have to practice this topic for oral and written activities. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.